The year was 1945, a time of global turmoil and rebuilding after the devastation of World War II. In the heart of San Francisco, a historic event was about to unfold. Delegates from 50 nations gathered, their eyes fixed on the future, their hearts heavy with the weight of a world yearning for peace. The United Nations Conference on International Organization was underway. This was no ordinary gathering. It was a beacon of hope, a symbol of unity, and a testament to the human spirit's resilience. The aim was clear: to prevent the recurrence of such global conflict and to foster a world based on cooperation and mutual respect. The delegates, representing various nations, each brought their unique perspectives and experiences. Cordell Hull, the U.S. Secretary of State, was present, as was the illustrious British Foreign Secretary, Anthony Eden. Representatives from the Soviet Union, China, and France also attended, each with their own visions for the new world order. The atmosphere was electric. The air was thick with anticipation, fear, and hope. The delegates debated tirelessly, their voices echoing through the halls of the War Memorial Opera House. The negotiations were intense, the stakes high, and the pressure immense. On June 26, 1945, the United Nations Charter was signed. The document, a testament to international cooperation, was the product of months of arduous negotiations. It outlined the structure and principles of the United Nations, a global organization whose purpose was to maintain international peace and security, promote respect for human rights, and foster sustainable economic and social development. The establishment of the United Nations marked a significant milestone in world history. It was a testament to the power of diplomacy and the collective will of nations to work together for a better future. The UN, born from the ashes of war, stands as a symbol of hope and a beacon of peace in a world that often seems fraught with conflict. In the decades that followed, the UN would go on to play a crucial role in resolving conflicts, promoting human rights, and pushing for global development. It remains a testament to the power of diplomacy and the collective will of nations to work together for a better world. The UN, founded in San Francisco in 1945, continues to strive towards its mission, a mission born from a shared vision of a peaceful, cooperative, and resilient world.